me just have some food here, some Chinese food. I was gonna cook something. I swear I had my mind on cooking today, but the way how I'm feeling right now, I'm moody, it's the time of the month, all that. TMI, but I didn't feel like cooking. I'm so tired. So I'm like, let me just turn this camera on. I don't care how I look right now. I don't care. I got some Chinese food. My usual Chinese food I usually get is some wings and fried rice. That's it. But how y'all day been? My day been cool, but I don't know why I feel so tired. Because I know why. I be going to bed late. I'm not gonna ask if you going to bed early. Anyways, this is what I have. Y'all know the vibes. If you're from New York City, you know the vibes. But yeah, barbecue sauce all over. I don't know why she keep giving me a fork when I asked her for a spoon. But oh, I have a head roll. I have some lemon water and green tea. Yes, I washed it off. This little ass fork. I'm so tired. All I had this morning was a smoothie and like a couple graham crackers. This is like my raw meal for the day. And they're raising their prices too. It's $7 now. $7.50. I was like, the last time I bought this, I was like, I'm not buying this again. But I didn't know what to eat. And like I said, I was gonna cook. But at the same time, I'm like, I don't know what to cook. My favorite green tea. Now they're raising this thing for $7.50. What do you think it is? Really sounds hungry. Because I would have never given my money. Oh, I have a fortune cookie right here. Let's see what it says. What's today? Thursday? Oh, it's almost Friday. Well, why not? Admit it. You're intrigued. That's what it said. But yeah. That is my puff puff. I like it. Wait. Sanitize my. Oh, let me show you what I put in my water. This little thing. This that I got from Dollar Tree. There's no sugar in there, nothing. Comes in a box with 6, is it 6 or 8? One of them, 6 or 8. And I just pour it in my water. Or I just drink this. Or plain water. I'm gonna still have the sugar though, I'm not playing for real, for real. Cause you see my face break out so easily and I can't be bothered. But I have the most sensitive skin, or my skin is so sensitive, it don't make no sense. So, no more wine, no more liquor. I'm so serious. Y'all want a chicken? Oh my God. I was so hungry. I thought I saw her well done. Like hard. I like when the ones is hard. But it is good. So that's how you do it. I gotta stop eating Chinese food. Leave it in the fries. I gotta stop eating it. Let's go off the cooking. I need to like the cooking. I leave it. All these onions in there. What did I miss last night? Oh my god. Do y'all watch Sisters? It is everything. Do y'all watch Sisters? I love me some Sisters. Sisters is just getting spicy. So you know how we do this. Put some duck sauce on it. I love duck sauce with this. That's good. I didn't feel like sitting on much today. I was tired. I mean, I am tired. Oh, man. I'm just gonna sit right here, like this, and eat. I'm not gonna eat all this right now. That barbecue sauce, can't see that? Can't see it. Which show I need to watch again? I missed our sister's while I was at work. Which one to watch? What show I need to watch? Baby. Oh. Have a bite. Mushrooms, just watch. That's crazy. My memory sucks. Lemon water, fruit water, smoothies, spring summer long. Okay, all spring summer long. I'm getting full. I ate 4 pieces of meat and I have 4 left. I'm full. I just wanted to come out here and just eat. Okay. Now I gotta watch this smell of my hand. Oh, let me show you what I got from. So, oh, I opened the other one already. Open one already. So I bought 2 of these. Oh, the battery tune just uploaded the video. I bought 2 of these. The charcoal peppermint. It smells so good. I used this before. And actually, was it the last month or was the month before? It was a finishing up. I'm like, I honestly didn't remember where I got the soap from. I'm like, where did I get this charcoal soap from? Because, see, the logo is on there. If you can see it, the thing is on there. So it was all the way. It was, you know, I used it down, so it comes up when it didn't tell me. The soap was blank, so I didn't know where the soap was from. I'm like, it smells minty. I'm like, is it from? And the only place I remember, I thought I ordered from Amazon, but I'm like, I didn't buy no soap from Amazon. So I'm like, okay, it have to be. I'm like, yeah, it had to be. And my face was clearing up that little piece of soap I had left. I'm like, why didn't I buy it sooner? But anyways, this video getting too long. I don't want it to be long. But I bought 2 of these. I bought this one. This is the turmeric. It actually works for your face for real, because these are, they use natural ingredients to make these, and she be showing how she made it. Like how, you know, if you follow Diani on Instagram and her mom, you know how they make it, because they show it. They show it on their page and on the thing page. So these are my soaps. I'm seriously gonna fill out sugar, so I'm gonna use this, well, this one first, and then gotta open the other one already. So I'm gonna use this one for the other wrapper right here on the first. It smells so good. The one I just opened. So, oh, this is a travel bar. The travel size is like, it's $7.50 in stores. They have a bigger one for 11 something, and this is the one I ordered before because it didn't have no box. It was small like this, and the other one is a little bigger. But yeah, these are natural soaps. They actually work for your face because I've tried it before. Now it's probably like my second time. Yeah, second time. But the first time I bought it, it was shipping when they had the store in, I think it was Florida. Yeah. So now they have one in New York. They have one in the Bronx, New York, well, Queens, New York, Jamaica Avenue. They have one in the Bronx. There was somewhere else. That's it, right? I think that's it for in New York. 2 places, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm gonna be on these soaps. Watch. You're gonna see results in a few months because I might be constant with it. I might just start showering with the soap because it clear up dark spots and everything. So I'm just gonna. My sister put me on to Urban Skin RX. That really worked. That worked too, but I didn't want to. It's like $24 for the thing, and I'm like, So I started going back to using my turmeric and my turmeric and sea moss and lemon. Mix it all together, make my paste. That was working too, and for some reason I just keep not being patient with things. I mean, at one point I was, probably like 2 months ago, it was actually working and I stopped. This is my favorite. I've been using this for years. This is my favorite. This is my face mask favorite that I use, but I don't use it every day either. That's the thing. They say you don't need to use it every day, but use it twice a week or as often as needed. But I don't use it every day, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm trying to get my face back in order. Okay, because I'm no sugar for real, for real. This is actually the drink it because it has sugar in there. Oh gosh. Anyways, I'll get it together. I will get it together. But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I don't know, I just wanted to talk about something. And I still remember what show I have to go watch. But I'm pretty sure when I end this, I'm gonna remember. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. And subscribe, like, tell a friend, share, and come back and watch me. See you later.